Loser alert. Loser alert. Loser alert.
I'm out here swagging, okay?
Where? Show the swag.
Swag.
Show the swag.
God said my drink. I'm supposed to stop, but I can't. Wood grain, top down, switch lanes. I'm supposed to stop, but I can't. That whip, that.
What's up, guys? Y'all think this is just a regular talking video, huh?
It's a talking video.
We're doing a vlog, guys. We did a vlog. We're gonna take you on our tour.
Our journey.
Our journey of tour. And we brought somebody with us, and
someone's here.
Who is with us? Who? That guy. Bradley, we took him to the fair, the first thing.
The fair?
Let's say the fair wasn't
that great.
Yeah, it wasn't that great.
Funnel cake.
It was ghetto.
Bradley said the fair was ghetto.
It was a little bit.
Yeah, it wasn't.
Not so nice.
We're going to the fair. Going to the fair.
Taking Bradley to the carnival.
Who can see the fair? I'm just here for the funnel cake. Oh, they have funnel cake.
You wanna get funnel cake?
Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. This is all I came for.
Yeah. Yo, Bradley, that was way off.
Call out your friend.
Oh, almost.
One more. Thank you.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Him alone. Him alone. Him alone. Nobody else on the ride, people. Nobody. It must be a reason nobody else on the ride.
Say a prayer.
Are you praying? Jesus Christ!
No.
No, we don't have your glasses. You have it. It's on your face. Lord God, bye!
That's what I call rib shot. Yeah, don't count it. Short, back to walk, like that. Okay? One. Take one more, buddy. You get one down here before you get one up here. Now you're gonna small down here. Small one down here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Snow cone. Lemonade.
Lemonade.
Now we're looking for our next ride. Well, Bradley's next ride.
Yeah.
We're too scared to go on the rides. Right, Chad? Another one, people. Trying to get that big toy.
You see what I'm talking about? It was kind of, you know, it was kind of run down.
Yeah, it was a little not so nice.
Well, although it was our last day, so I'll give it to them on that.
Yeah, okay.
But we enjoyed something next.
Coffee!
Coffee!
That yumminess.
Overtime. Like you know, today is the Super Bowl, and what we're gonna do now?
Get the alcohol.
We're gonna go get alcohol and chips.
And chips.
Yeah, I think we eat that all day, every day.
And go sailing and catch a fish.
What?
All right.
Anyways.
All right. Follow us.
Got it. Bear. Tortilla chips. And I guess I got him too.
Yeah. I'm ready to go.
Make a U-turn northwest 146th
Watch that
Avenue.
queen singing the dancing queen.
queen, singing the dancing queen.
Para gozadera full, baby. Shake it, 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 shake it.
Now, who really did that? That is disgusting.
Yo, that's good luck, cause watch this. Watch this, guys. Watch this, guys. Look at this. This is a scratch off. I just bought this. So you know what this means?
Money.
Money! We're gonna win money, people!
Yeah,
I'm
let's...
about to scratch this off. I'm so nervous that I'm stuck in traffic and I'm gonna hold up the traffic. I'm gonna hold it up.
This is disgusting.
Yeah, that should look like you got a period pad in there.
Oh, babe, wipe it off. Oh, it's on the side. Wipe it off. It's still on the side.
It ain't coming off, bro. The shit ain't coming off. Literally, the shit ain't coming off.
Oh my god, I could vomit. You need to take that off. Spray it more, spray it.
I can't go. I'm out of spray.
Oh, it's going, it's going.
Oh.
It's gone.
No, that means it's like in the creases. Man.
Oh!
Yeah.
It's falling in. Look, it's falling inside.
Lad.
It's falling.
Lad.
I could just vomit. First, we gotta walk these Rudies. Oh, she gotta go. She has to take a leak.
You know what's good?
You look like you're losing.
No. What else was I gonna say?
Yeah, you don't even know.
Right now, I'm drinking, guys. The Philadelphia Eagles are kicking butt. Yay!
Yeah.
And the New England.
Until Tom Brady come in and
New
then.
England is gonna take a L.
Who you want? Can you stop eating?
I'm trying to quit smoking. This is my substitute.
Oh my god. This is how much times? Oh my god. Can you get me a beer?
Sure. What flavor?
A good one.
Yeah, get a taste bud one. Look, I need to get back my fruits and vegetables. And yes, I'm gonna start meal prepping now properly.
Lame.
Because there's a party that
Lame.
I'm set for.
Lame. Lame.
No, you know why you're late? Because you're lazy. You don't want to the gym.
No. I want this.
Guess what, everybody? I moved in.
You hear that? Andrew moved in. Bradley moved in too.
What, man?
God said my drink. I'm supposed to stop, but I can't. Wood grain, top down, switch lanes. I'm supposed to stop, but I can't. That whip, that